Did you know the air in your living room might be dirtier than the air on a busy street? Shocking, right? But today you'll see how a few houseplants can flip that problem on its head and make your home feel like fresh mountain air. Stick around because by the end you'll meet 10 easy care plants that clean your air and lift your mood. Before we jump in, please quickly subscribe and like this video, it really helps the channel. 1. Spider plant. This plant is perfect if you're not great at gardening because it's almost impossible to kill. Bright, indirect light, a splash of water a few times a week, and it's off scrubbing the air for you. No chemistry degree required. Bonus: the little baby spiders it grows make great gifts. 2. Snake plant. Tough, sleek, and practically indestructible. Water it sparingly and give it a bit of sun. It returns the favor by pumping out fresh oxygen while you sleep. Perfect bedside buddy. 3. Chrysanthemum mum. Need instant color therapy? Mums bloom in sunset shades that cheer up any room. While the flowers last, they're quietly filtering everyday fumes from cleaners and candles. Heads up, keep them away from curious pets. 4. Lavender. The scent of calm itself. A sunny windowsill and minimal water keep it happy. Studies show breathing in lavender's aroma can ease stress and help you sleep deeper. No diffuser needed. 5. Dracaena. Want something with a tropical vibe? Dracaena is stylish and dramatic, growing tall and thriving with moderate sunlight. It's perfect for removing trichloroethylene found in paints and adhesives, but again, pet owners, beware. 6. English ivy. A vine that loves hanging baskets and steamy bathrooms. It's especially handy if you dye your hair at home because it helps tame those salon product fumes and even draws down bathroom mold. 7. Peace lily. Just saying the name lowers your blood pressure. Those white blooms don't just look zen, they release moisture which can knock indoor dust down by about a fifth. Miss the leaves now and then for extra glow. 8. Aloe Vera. It is a must-have, especially in your kitchen. Known for soothing burns and skin irritations, it loves sunlight and clears out household toxins from detergents. 9. Weeping fig ficus. Think of this as your living room's silent air purifier. Moderate light, occasional watering, and it'll grow into a sculptural statement piece while helping clear out stale odors from carpets and furniture. 10. Golden pothos, the can't-kill-it favorite. Low light, forgetful watering? No problem. Its cascading vines gobble up stale indoor air and look gorgeous on a high shelf or bookcase. Why bother with plants? 1. Plants lock away common household pollutants and release fresh oxygen. Your brain will thank you. 2. Caring for something green boosts feel-good hormones and empathy. Even a quick glance at leaves can reset a stressful day. 3. Garden-style activities have been shown to ease depression and sharpen memory. Yet another excuse to expand your plant family. Which plant on this list are you most excited to bring home, or do you already have a tried-and-true favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks to make your home healthier. Thanks for watching.